Well, we're on the road towards the Little Pond Campground. Thank you so much for clicking on that button, spending some time with me today. We're camping at DEC Campgrounds yet again. We have the usual tarp set up and Big Blue. It's about 4:15 and the predicted rain has begun. My favorites, hummingbirds. That's why I keep. Only you can prevent forest fires. Our own private pit privy. I'd probably say the nicest view of the pond. No place like home. And that's the end of my walkabout around Little Pond Campground. This stream goes past my campsite. Right across the way is site number 8. That's my neighbors. They just went out paddling. We're at the end of this little road. There's 2 or 3 more sites on it. And then that's the main loop that goes in a big circle. We're not on the lake, but we are on a stream. The stream is running right along here. It's branched out. It's winding. On the other side is the other loop of campsites. That's over by the pond. Thanks for joining me today here. We're going to be spending a little time in the woods, getting some rest and relaxation in at Little Pond Campground. I believe we're in the town of Andes, New York, which is in Sullivan County. This is our typical setup. Fire pit. Brought my table, put up a tarp at Big Blue. I did bring the kayak. There's some nice paddling here. It's a small pond, but it should be fun. Okay. Thanks for clicking on that button. If you enjoyed this content, please give us a big thumbs up. It really helps to promote the channel, have it seen by more people. Leave a comment below. I'll do my best to answer any questions or comments. If you're new to the channel, please feel free to hit the subscription button in the corner and turn on notifications so I can let you know when I'm about to load a new video. Thanks for watching. Pine kindling, and that's a stick of fat wood. Just gotta let that fat wood burn off, and we can get the cast iron skillet. Okay, now the fat wood is burned off. You see the smoke turn more white. This is pine kindling, so it's not the most efficient, but it's perfect for a stick stove application. Let's bring on the star attraction. We're on day 2. It's Saturday at Little Pond Campground. Cooking lunch. Smells good. And that's lunch. A good lunch at that. Thanks for watching, everybody. Give us a big thumbs up if you enjoy this lunch. Leave a message below. Tell me what you like to have for lunch when you go camping. That's a pretty lunch. Okay, today we are in the deep dark woods of the Catskill Mountains, and I do not have any cellular service or Wi-Fi. My wife have gotten me this. This is by Garmin. It's the ETREX 32X. I don't know if you say that, ETREX 32X or not. This works with or without. I should say this works without cellular. So we're in the woods, and I want to find a gas station. I put on fuel services, all categories, and now it's going to do a search. We have the Lou Beach General Store is 3.04 miles. There's a Speedway at about 9.5 miles. Mobile, Roscoe Mobile, and a Sunoco. So we are going to go to the closest place to the Lou Beach General Store. Okay, so we click on Lou Beach, and up comes a map. That's a Garmin map right there, and I am way back country right now. I have no chance of my cell phone working, and this is working. Thanks, Sha. It's a good idea. Let's go find ourselves some supplies. Hi, everybody. It's day 3 or Sunday. It's a beautiful day in camp. We're talking about low 70s, sunny skies, light breeze around 5 miles an hour. No chance of rain today. There is one tomorrow. So we're going to get out in the kayak today. I have to put my wheels on the boat and pack a few things, and we're going to head down to the day use area. Okay, we're on Little Pond. We're going to do a little paddling. We're going to go around the lake. Beautiful spot. Got my cool hat on too. Found a nice shady spot to take a breather. It's beautiful under here. It's like one spot where there isn't a campground or a day use area. We're about 3/4 of the way around the lake. It's a nice paddle. It's not a huge lake, but the water's crystal clean. And temperature is just right. The sunshine feels good. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscription button in the corner and turn on notifications so I can let you know when I'm loading up a new video. There's the fishing piers on Little Pond. That's it for our paddle on Little Pond. It was a short one. It was fun. Thanks for watching. Alright, we're all packed up. Do a quick check. Boat's all secured. We're leaving a day early. Bad weather coming in tomorrow. So I'm going to take off tonight at about 5 o'clock on Sunday. Try to beat the traffic. We're all loaded up. Just got to check all my connections. Looks good. We'll talk on the road. Okay, so flash news alert. We have some weather coming in overnight in the Catskills. Surprise, surprise. We had 2 whole sunny days, and we should be grateful we had that. 2 spectacular days in a row. I got some kayaking in, some fun camping, hiked around the park quite a bit, took some nice pictures. I hope you enjoyed. But we're leaving early. I was booked here until Tuesday morning. We're leaving on Sunday, about 5 o'clock. It's supposed to rain overnight tonight, all day Monday, and into Tuesday. Wednesday might see some sun. I won't be here for it. So rather than breaking down in inclement weather, we are gonna bug out and head back to the island. I miss my wife. I miss my dog, little Belly. So I'm gonna have a good drive home through the Catskills while it's still light, and I'll be back on Long Island by about 9 o'clock tonight.